I love this part. Splash! It's not a hazard, it's a bike wash. Don't, uh-oh. Oh! That's pretty well gated, huh? Well, not well enough. Oh, don't go long on that. Oh, you goofed me up. That's cool. Uh-oh. Anybody know what the backside of this looks like? Uh-oh, look out! Oh, now I goofed it up. I messed up on the entrance. Sure. Let me slow down the film. Whoop. Look at all these holes here. Don't miss that one. Boing, 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 boing. Boy, that's hanging low there. Woo! Ah! Don't go in the water, it's too early and it's not hot enough. We might have to turn around like that one guy said, but we might not. Yeah, that'll be the end of the trail. Yeah, one rider at a time on that one bridge. It's pretty deep back there, Matt. Spongy is not the word. He went to scope it out. Hanging low. Whoa! Uh-oh! Whoa! Watch that branch on the exit. This way, right? Or here? Yeah. Oh, bridge. Whoa, almost got shish kebab. Oh, caught my chain ring. Wasn't expecting that. Now this is better having people in front of me, because now you can tell how the terrain changes. Because if it's just me, it looks like it's all flat. Whoa. Wrong gear. Do we gotta turn and come back up right here? Oh, bummer. A washboard action there. Oh. No, I'm gonna be right behind you. Meow. That looked cool. Yeah? It looked like we were going straight down off of that. Yeah. Isn't that where we go up? Are we going up? Hey, I get to go first. No, you did it forward. Now we're going to do it backwards.